There's a range of buildings there, and this is effectively roughly about the 8th building that we've produced out there on the Brindabella Park. The 8 is actually representing its street address at present. What we had done was a series of staged buildings, and each building sort of developed or learned from the one previously. And what we picked up, which actually 2 or 3 buildings before this one, was the concept of a central plant. I mean, that's nothing new. So we had a central services building, which was then with ramping size equipment in there, which gave us a large leap of chilled and heated water and so forth for running each of the buildings. So effectively the buildings all piggyback off that. We experimented once on number 2 and 4 Brindabella Circuit, where one building ran an auxiliary building, and so that was certainly one item that gave us that benefit with the lag that we have in the loop, as it were. We can actually run some of the buildings. Number 10, which is the twin of this building, but not quite as green, for more conventional clients. It runs 24/7, just running simply on the lag of the equipment. So that was certainly something that was very easy, and the mechanical system was something that was certainly very easy to do. And the lighting and lighting controls. Again, given that there's one owner to the whole business park, the management, which is one of the key things and the key drivers we found, it was picking that up. So they were prepared to spend the money on the metering, and we've got multiple tenancy metering. We've got metering along lines, that's for water, for electricity, so that we can simply find out if we've got a leak somewhere in the system or something's not working. They're all alarmed, so we have our modelling, and we set our alarms to any slight variation to that, which immediately gets attention. And we find that is just simply one of the big saving areas in terms of running the business and building. So really just the central plant, the lighting, and the control management system.
And what sort of savings